Okay, time for day 19. Only, what, 6 days to Christmas now? That's amazing how fast time is going. Alright, what do we have here? We have a couple of little RC cars. That's going to be fun to build. Alright. See, the RC cars make a lot more sense than the ice cream stand kiosk things. So, I don't know what's with the ice cream stuff. Maybe I'll email Lego and ask. Be like, hey, why is there so much ice cream in winter? That is a lot of pieces. Holy mackerel. Alright, well, let's get started. Alright, so we start with these are actually like hinges or something like that. They clip together like so. That's off kilter, but that's what they want you to do. And then we're going to put a red stud there, and then a clear stud here. Flatten that out on the table. There we go. And we're going to bring the focus down to where it makes more sense. There we go. One of these days I'll get used to managing my focus on the fly. At least I'm realizing it now instead of filming the whole video out of focus. Alright, and that goes there, and then this goes here. Now we have a little RC car. And then we'll go through that whole process a second time with the blue pieces. There we go. Oh, I see what it's doing. Yeah, well, a little ahead of you there, Lego. Then we're going to put the clear stud here. And then we're going to put that there. And the flat blue stud there. And then the blue lever, which is clearly supposed to be the RC car antenna. Alright, now we have a bunch of stuff here. We have some little speed dials, or speed dials. Well, I guess that's technically true. It is a dial that displays speed. So, I'm sticking by what I said. It's a speed dial. Alright, so this thing gets one of the little speedometers. I believe that's the word I was actually looking for. Not speed dial. We're gonna... That's good enough. Alright, so one of those and one of these. And there's the controller for the red one. And then the controller for the blue one. Oh, a lot of extra parts today. Wow, probably because they're small and fiddly. Alrighty, well, that is day 19. We're getting really close to the end of December here. So I'm getting ready to start doing a project on the channel. That's why I didn't release a video today, because I was doing some prototyping and work and I just didn't get around to uploading a video. So this is what I'm going to do. It's parts for a demonstration of how a transistor-based astable multivibrator works. I haven't released that video yet, naturally, because I was working on it today. So if you'd like to see it when I release it, go ahead and click here to subscribe. Right here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll find is interesting. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist. And right here is a link to Patreon, which you can use to support the electronic things I do on this channel. Anyway, thanks for joining me. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.